name is Costa, and one of the biggest challenges that men face when they're getting ready and dressed in the morning is figuring out how to pair things together. Tell me if this sounds familiar. Ready? You have a bunch, and I mean a bunch of items in your closet, but once you stand there and you try to come up with an outfit, then it's nearly impossible. You end up feeling like you have no clothes, and you and I, we both know that that's not true. Honestly guys, it's just a matter of quality and not quantity, okay? So what do you need in order to build your wardrobe from scratch? Well, here are my top 10 picks, all right? Number one, for example, shoes, because nowadays everyone will notice your shoes. From sneakerheads who will definitely notice what you're wearing to girls you're taking out on dates. Trust me, they will notice what kind of shoes you're wearing. If you're wearing athletic sneakers, then you're probably an athletic guy, or you like to be comfortable. If you're wearing nice leather shoes, like double monks for example, you're trying to look professional and clean. Well, every guy needs 4 types of shoes to start their wardrobe right. Brown or black leather shoes for a more professional look, right? White sneakers as an everyday type of shoe. Athletic sneakers for working out and getting that athleisure look. And a pair of boots to change things up a bit. Don't start with unconventional shoes like blue shoes or yellow sneakers, because those will be so much harder to style. With the 4 shoes that I mentioned, you should be able to pull a lot of looks together without spending a ton of cash on trendy sneakers that won't be cool in just a few months. Number 2, let's talk about pants. Alright, I'm a huge fan of black jeans. Honestly, I could wear my black jeans every day for weeks and people wouldn't even notice. And that's because they're plain black jeans with no rips, no unnecessary details or markings or brandings, right? For example, if your jeans have a little design on the knee here, maybe on the thigh, it could be a cross, it could be a rip, anything, right? Someone might notice and say, dude, those are pretty cool. But when you wear them again tomorrow, that person will notice that you're wearing the same jeans because he noticed it yesterday. He noticed the little design and he's gonna see it again. If they're plain black, no one is going to say those are cool, but that's because no one is going to notice them. They're gonna look at the rest of your outfit, which is fine. So start your wardrobe with dark wash denim. Black jeans, dark indigo jeans, that should do the trick. Remember that the most important aspect of your jeans will always be the fit. Make sure you're getting the right size, guys. Nothing baggy, nothing too long. You need to be able to see your shoes. Guys, I know that sometimes these things can be really hard. Putting outfits together, getting the right size, finding the right brands. But the good thing is that this company called Stitch Fix, who sponsored today's video, has a solution to all of those issues. This is a game changer, check it out. You sign up online, you fill out a very detailed style profile, and one of their expert stylists will hand select clothing and accessory items just for you and your lifestyle. It's pretty genius. It's like having a personal stylist with you at all times. Once you get the box with the clothes that your stylist picked for you, you actually choose what you want to keep and return the rest of the items in the package that they provide. And guess what? You only paid $20 to have your box curated by a professional stylist. But then, that amount is actually applied towards anything that you keep. Plus, if you keep all of the clothes in that box, you get an extra 25% discount. They're always adding new styles, new items, and basics like underwear, basic shirts in every size, even big and tall, up to 3XL. So they will definitely have something for you. But everything that I got in my box, it all fit me perfectly, right? From the shoes, to the sweaters, and the t-shirt. And even what I'm wearing right now, this sweater is from them. Honestly, it makes life a lot easier. If you're not sure what to get, and you want professional help, right? If you need a professional stylist that will literally pick the clothes for you, this is the way to go. Besides getting nice clothes, you're gonna learn a lot about your style, different clothes, different brands, and that already is worth it. Make sure to check out Stitch Fix, which is gonna be listed in the description right below the video, and that will take your style to the next level. Speaking of next on the list is t-shirts. Going back to the basics. Guys tend to have like way too many t-shirts in their closets for some reason. I don't know, mostly I think because guys like t-shirts because they're comfortable, or maybe because we just don't like to throw t-shirts away for whatever reason. But that needs to change, all right? Make sure that you get rid of those t-shirts and upgrade to nice tees. Solids only is definitely the way to go. White, black, gray, navy blue, that's what I recommend you get started. Think of how many outfits you can make up with a black tee. An endless amount. Same with a white tee, same with a gray tee, and a navy blue t-shirt. Once you have those, then you can start experimenting with graphics and logos, but honestly, I would say stick to the basics in the beginning. Sweaters, an easy way to look more elegant and of course more stylish. 2 things that you have to look out for. 1, quality, and 2, fit. In terms of quality, guys, I would say honestly save up and buy the best one that fits your budget, of course, right? You're gonna hate a sweater that makes you feel all itchy, that's too warm for you and uncomfortable. So if you don't have the means yet, then wait until you can buy the right one for you. And the fit. All right, you're gonna have to really understand your body here when it comes to sweaters, because if you're athletic, then a muscle fit is gonna look amazing on you. It's gonna highlight all your muscles. If you're a little bit bigger, then get something that's a little bit baggier down here. Otherwise, it's gonna be tight around your stomach, which is not a good look. My favorite colors when it comes to sweaters, gray, navy blue. I mean, those two will fit perfectly with pretty much anything and everything that we've already discussed on this list. So if you're making a list and if you're buying these things, navy blue and gray sweaters will go perfect. Number 5 is outerwear. Now, I'm not sure which one is more important, outerwear or shoes. Honestly, if you're gonna keep your jacket on the whole time, then I'd probably say that outerwear is the most important. If you're gonna take it off, it probably becomes the shoes. The bad news, outerwear is usually the most expensive part of the outfit. The good news is that depending on where you live, you might not even need outerwear, right? So hopefully you live somewhere that's a little bit warmer. Think about the weather before you do anything else, because if you live somewhere warm like I do, I live in LA, then maybe you just go for a nice denim jacket and you're set year-round. Super easy, usually not too expensive, and will definitely do the trick here in Los Angeles. If you live in the cold, like New York, for example, sucks for you, man. You might have to spend a little bit more cash, right? A top coat would look great. Maybe something a little bit more rugged to get you through the winter. Either way, make sure that you're getting something that will go with all the color tones that we discussed, because it's an expensive piece and you can only afford so many. That's why people have one or two. Versatility is the most important aspect of outerwear. Get something that you're gonna be able to wear over and over again with all of your favorite outfits. And guys, to top it all off, get some accessories, all right? So many guys overlook accessories and their outfit it's just not complete. It's like something is missing. So if you want to see a video on the accessories that I think every guy should have, I actually just made that video. Check out that latest video where I go in depth into each of those items. And of course, if you're having trouble picking the right outfit and coming up with new ideas, or if you just want to explore and try something new, then check out Stitch Fix. It's such a cool initiative, right? It's an easy way to try new pieces, styled by a professional, without ever having to leave your house. The website is listed in the description right below. And of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram @AlexCosta and subscribe to become part of the YouTube family, which keeps growing every single day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.